So I had this idea to use this DC to DC step-down voltage regulator to decrease the speed of the fans in a computer and make them more silent. But then I realized that less speed doesn't necessarily mean more silent, because when in a computer case all the components are installed, specific speeds may cause more vibration and stuff and resonance than others. So my idea is to use one of these DC to DC step down voltage regulators to exactly tune the fan speed where it makes the less noise when it's installed into the computer case and all the components are vibrating and airflow and blah blah blah, and everything is in the real world, not just tested in a lab. Okay, this fan is 21 dBA, so it must be good for you. That is a primitive way of looking at it. So that is my idea. I don't know if I'm going to do more videos on it, but I think it's a good idea to use one of these to finely tune the fans in your computer. Considering that an average computer fan is about at least $2, you can't go cheaper than that. And one of these voltage regulators is also about $2. So if you have some nice high-end fans, you can afford like one of these controllers for each of them. And so let me just show you how this works. Right now I have it connected to a 12-volt power supply, which means that it won't go right up to 12 volts, just 11 point whatever. And now it's at 5. So let me just bring the camera a little lower so you can hear the difference between the voltages. I'm going to shut up now and just increase the voltage. Okay, that's how high it goes, because it can only step down so much from 12 volts. There's a minimum. Usually it's 1 volt, but this does about half a volt. So yeah, this is kind of nice. But you probably heard that at certain voltages the fan was significantly more silent than in others, than at other voltages. So this could be a solution to many problems, especially when many times not even the fan noise is annoying, but the automatic speed control. You start gaming and after a few minutes or seconds the fans start speeding up and you hear, and that's really annoying. So with one of these voltage controllers, you can set a voltage, and the fans will always run at that voltage and be done with it. You don't have to deal with variations and noises appearing from time to time. You just test it, set the voltage, check if the temperatures are appropriate at that voltage, and be done with it. No more unexpected noises from your computer.